Walking around with a piece of plastic stuck to your lower back sounds like some futuristic science fiction prop. That is exactly where we are at with the latest wave of wearable pain relief gadgets hitting the market. You see these sleek, medical-looking devices everywhere lately. They promise to zap your back pain away while you're doing the dishes or sitting at your desk. The one everyone is talking about right now is the ReliveX Massager. It uses something called neuromuscular electrical stimulation. That sounds incredibly fancy and scientific. In reality, it is a technology that has been around for quite a while in the world of physical therapy. It works by sending small pulses through adhesive pads directly into your muscles. This is supposed to help with tension and stiffness. The device looks clean and professional. It has that minimalist design that makes you feel like you are using a high-end medical tool. You can stick it on your neck, your legs, or your lower back. The marketing makes it look effortless. People in the ads are just going about their day, while this little wireless unit does all the heavy lifting. You can just slap it on and forget about it. However, we need to look at what is actually happening behind the scenes. If you look past the glossy photos, you realize that this is basically a consumer-grade electrical muscle stimulator. These things are everywhere. You can find dozens of versions of this technology on the internet. Many of them cost significantly less than what you see on these specialized pain relief channels. The marketing language is very bold. They talk about long-term pain resolution. They want you to believe this is a permanent fix for chronic issues. Most experts will tell you that consumer-grade devices usually cannot deliver that kind of medical-level outcome. They are great for temporary relief. They can definitely help you relax after a long day of sitting. But they are not necessarily a replacement for a doctor or a physical therapist. The feedback from people actually using it is a real mixed bag. Some users absolutely love the feeling. They say it really helps loosen up those tight spots after a workout or a long shift. It provides that nice, buzzy sensation that distracts from the ache. Others have had a much harder time. There are reports of the adhesive pads wearing out too quickly. Some people had trouble getting a response from customer service when things went wrong. It is important to remember that this is a gadget, not a miracle. If you are dealing with a real chronic injury, you need to talk to a professional first. Do not just rely on a piece of plastic and a battery to fix a serious problem. It is best understood as a general relaxation and comfort device. Think of it as a portable massage that you can wear. It feels nice, and it might take the edge off a stressful afternoon. Just keep your expectations realistic before you hit that buy button. It is a tool for comfort. It is not a magic wand for your spine. You should always prioritize your health over a gadget. If you want something that helps you unwind, this might be it. If you want a medical cure, you might want to keep looking. Stay informed and look beyond the flashy ads. Real recovery usually takes more than just a battery-powered pulse. Be smart with your money and your health.